The 7 best energy bars made from real food. Remember the good old days when your choice in energy bars was between Clif and Powerbar? Yeah, well, those days are gone. Stroll through the energy bar aisle in any Whole Foods today, and you'll be optically assaulted by a panoply of colorful, candy bar-like treats, vying for your attention with claims like high in fiber, high in protein, raw, gluten-free, made from real food, low in sugar, detoxing. Yep, we're already over it. Find out how to stop the craving cycle before it starts and burn fat around the clock with the naturally sweet, salty, unsatisfying meals in Eat Clean, Lose Weight and Love Every Bite. But which shiny packages are actually good for you and made from real food ingredients, and don't taste like month-old, dried grossness? Here, we round up the 7 best-tasting energy bars for those who like to eat real food, not lab-rat ingredients. 1. Omega. Made from pasture-raised whey with sustainably sourced fish oil and 14 grams protein, Omega is basically the Rolls-Royce of energy bars. Though fortunately, not quite as expensive. Nutrition: 190 calories, 14 grams pro, 7 grams fiber, 5 grams sugars, 7 grams fat, 21 grams carbs, plus 300 milligrams omega-3s. Complete protein? Yes, from grass-fed whey. Taste and texture: sweet, crispy, and chewy, like a grown-up version of the marshmallow treats your mom used to make flavor highlights: vanilla almond crisp, chocolate coconut crisp, lemon chia crisp. Great for gluten-free, soy-free. Get them, $23.88 for 12, Amazon.com too. Bar. These vegan bars are packed with nutrition that you can see in the form of walnuts, hemp seeds, sunflower seeds, and quinoa. Nutrition: 230 calories, 10 grams pro, 3 grams fiber, 14 grams sugars, 13 grams fat, 22 grams carbs. Complete protein? Yes, thanks to hemp seeds and quinoa, 2 of the few complete plant-based proteins. Taste and texture: fudgy and chewy, sort of like a raw foods brownie or cookie. Flavor highlights: almond chocolate, berry cashew, peanut butter. Great for organic, gluten-free, vegan, soy-free. Get them, $32.99 a box, Amazon.com 3. Perfect bar. They're a little lower in protein and fiber than some other bars, but they've got a diverse blend of 20 healthy whole foods like kale, alfalfa, dulse, and tomato that make up for what they lack in macronutrients. Nutrition: 200 calories, 9 grams pro, 2 grams fiber, 13 grams sugars, 10 grams fat, 19 grams carbs. Complete protein? Yes, from whole egg powder and milk powder. Taste and texture: chewy and fruity, with a hit of crunch from puffed brown rice flakes. Flavor highlights: cranberry crunch and almond decay, which are lower in sugar than some of the other varieties. Great for gluten-free, soy-free. Some of the bars are vegan, but they tend to be higher in sugar. Get them, $30 for a case of 20, Amazon.com 4. 22 days nutrition: if you can't stand the thought of another chocolate, nut, or coconut-flavored bar, try these. They get an unexpected kick from ingredients like dried pineapple, yerba mate, and dried mango. Nutrition: 230 calories, 6 grams pro, 4 grams fiber, 14 grams sugars, 12 grams fat, 26 grams carbs. Complete protein? No, as the protein comes mostly from nuts. Taste and texture: they're date-based, so chewy, dense, and super sweet, with a hint of crunch from puffed brown rice. Flavor highlights: goji mate firecracker, pineapple chocolate chip wonder. Great for vegan, gluten-free, soy-free. Get them, $7.99 for 4, Amazon.com 5. Simple squares. Square-shaped snacks made with a blend of nuts and honey might seem boring, but these ones are kicked up with unusual herbs and spices like sage and cloves. Nutrition: 230 calories, 6 grams pro, 3 grams fiber, 9 grams sugars, 17 grams fat, 16 grams carbs. Complete protein? No, as the protein mostly comes from nuts. Taste and texture: moist, chewy, and not overly sweet. You know the spices are there, but they aren't overwhelming. Flavor highlights: cinnamon clove, chili pep, sage. Great for paleo, organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan. Get them, $22 for 12, Amazon.com. 6. D's Naturals No Cow Bar. These soy-free vegan bars are loaded with protein and fiber and are surprisingly low in sugar since they're sweetened with monk fruit extract, stevia, and erythritol. And a fun fact to share: during your bike ride or group hike, they're the brainchild of an 18-year-old. Nutrition: 170 calories, 20 grams pro, 19 grams fiber, 1 gram sugars, 6 grams fat, 25 grams carbs. Complete protein? Yes, thanks to a combo of pea and rice proteins. Taste and texture: pros for being soft and chewy. Cons for slight chalkiness that comes from the protein powder, but the nutritional stats are so impressive that you might not care. Flavor highlights: peanut butter cookie dough, blueberry cobbler, mint chocolate chip. Great for soy-free, vegan, gluten-free. Get them, $27.99 for 8, Amazon.com. 7. Chef a savory bar, sugar-free and made from a blend of whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, amaranth, and millet. These savory bars are lower in calories and protein than other options, so dunk them in some hummus or wrap in a slice of turkey or cheese to make it more complete. Nutrition: 150 calories, 4 grams pro, 7 grams fiber, 0 grams sugars, 6 grams fat, 23 grams carbs. Complete protein? Yes, from a mixture of whole grains, chickpeas, and seeds. Taste and texture: crunchy like a cracker, with plenty of savory flavor from ingredients like roasted onion and toasted garlic. Flavor highlights: everything, as in an everything bagel, sesame, spicy.